Good morning. We stopped for a little snack. I have my Kind Bar, and as you can see behind me, it's like a mystical cloud that we're walking in. We've already done a little over 4 miles, and we're slack packing. Adam's eating his snack as well. We are slack packing 20 today. So we've got a lot of miles to do, but the slack packing is helping my joints. I need to really schedule a lot of it because I just can't do the miles with my heavy pack. It just, my knees can't do it. So I have to plan my slack packs for the big days, which, you know what, just takes more planning. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to enjoy my Kind Bar. And I think that the sun is going to burn off this cloud and we're going to have a nice day. So I hope you're having a good day too. Hey there, we stopped for a little rest. We haven't really rested yet today. It rained so much last night, poured rain. I was grateful to be in that motel. And we got out at 7:30 this morning, hit the trail at 7:30. So our shuttle driver picked us up at 7. And we've been hiking, and it is noon, and we did 12 before 12, which is a goal of ours. There's no way I could have done this with my full pack. Absolutely no way. So slack packing is something that I am really going to be doing more of. Dig deep in the pockets and figure it out, because I really want to hike this trail. And with my joints, having that extra weight is just too much. So here we go. So behind me, there's Delta. There's a view, but it's the power lines. But you could see, I think that's Parisburg in the background, and it's really pretty. It's been overcast all morning, which is a blessing because we have been out in the open a little bit, and it's not too hot because it's cloudy. So we'll take it. So we have about 8 miles more to go. We're going to take a little break here on these rocks. And
we did 12 before 12.
12 before 12. Woo! All right. See you in a bit. So we've hiked about 14 miles already. And it's been really good. The weather's been good. As you can see, the terrain is rocky. It is, see, that's where I just came from. Anyway, about 2 minutes ago, maybe 3 minutes ago, Adam goes, "Mom, can I pass you? I want to go fast." I said, "Sure." And he went off running. Did I mention we've already hiked 14 miles? He must feel really good, which is awesome. I'm, of course, just doing my regular hiking pace, and we'll catch up to him in a little bit. But he's having fun, which is awesome. And we can do that while we're slack packing. Yeah. So I just thought I'd update you on this really good day. Hey there, we are done with our day. We did 20 miles. It was awesome. The weather was good. And we are about to go to the Dairy Queen and get a burger, and then maybe Food Lion for a salad. And I need a good night's sleep tonight. I don't know exactly what we're doing tomorrow yet, but we're gonna figure it out. We've got our friend Dolly, who is going to hopefully slack pack again, so maybe we will go with her. But right now, food is what we need. We are both so hungry. Hiker hunger is such a real thing. It's unbelievable how much you can eat. So my friend Dolly is going to go to the Mexican restaurant, which is supposed to be pretty good, but I'm not a big Mexican food person. So we'll keep you posted.